The star of the show here is undoubtedly the display. The OLED panel with its 2.8K resolution is stunning, but the 120 Hz variable refresh rate is what actually changes the experience. Whether I was scrolling through long documents or browsing the web, everything felt fluid and responsive. I edited a batch of photos in Lightroom, and the color accuracy matched my calibrated desktop monitor perfectly, right out of the box. However, the feature that genuinely improved my daily life was the 9-megapixel webcam. This is hands down the best built-in camera I have ever used on a laptop. I took several Zoom calls from a dimly lit hotel room, and the video remained sharp and noise-free, without that muddy watercolor look you usually get. The AI framing features are subtle and actually useful, keeping me centered without making jerky movements. I also need to highlight the haptic trackpad. It provides a crisp, satisfying click across the entire surface, regardless of where you press. It feels nearly identical to the Force Touch trackpad on a MacBook, which is the highest praise I can give a Windows input device. It is massive, smooth, and makes navigating Windows gestures feel intuitive rather than frustrating.